SEPIA, the cuttlefish. This is a very important homeopathic remedy in day-to-day practice. Constitution adapted to persons of dark hair, rigid fiber, but mild and easy disposition like pulsatilla. Mind, anxiety with fear and flushes of heat over face and head. Fear about imaginary or real evils, and fear is more in the evening. Great sadness and weeping, dread of being alone and of men, of meeting friends and with uterine troubles. Indifferent to her own family members, to one's occupation, and indifferent to those whom she loves best. Greedy and miserly like lycopodium. Indolent, does not want to do anything, either work or play, even an exertion to think is SEPIA. The generalities, diseases attended with sudden prostration and sinking faintness. SEPIA is a known washerwoman's remedy. Complaints that are brought on by or aggravated after laundry work. Pains extend from other parts to the back are attended with shuddering. SEPIA is particularly sensitive to cold air, chills so easily, lack of vital heat, especially in chronic diseases, sensation of ball in inner parts during menses, pregnancy and lactation, with constipation, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, leukorrhea and all uterine affections. SEPIA faints easily after getting wet from extremes of heat or cold, riding in a carriage or kneeling in the church. Erethism, flushes of heat from least motion with anxiety and faintness, followed by perspiration on the whole body. Erethism at climacteric period, ascents and from pelvic organs. All the coverings of the neck felt too tight and should be loosened constantly like lachesis. Pot-belliedness of mothers. Head, coldness of vertex with headache. Headache in terrific shocks at menstrual neces with scanty flow. Headache in delicate, sensitive, hysterical woman. Pressing and bursting type of headache which is aggravated by motion or stooping or by mental labor, and better by external pressure and continued hard motion. Great falling of hair after chronic headaches and at climacteric period, that is menopausal period. Face, yellowness of face and conjunctiva, that is icterus. Yellow spots on the chest. A yellow saddle across the upper part of the cheeks and nose. It is very well described as a telltale face. Stomach and abdomen. Painful sensation of emptiness, all gone feeling in the epigastrium, which is relieved by eating. Constipation during pregnancy. Stool hard, knotty, insufficient in balls and very difficult to evacuate. Pain in the rectum during and long time after stools. Sense of wet or ball at anus which is not relieved by motion. The genitourinary system, urine deposits of reddish and clay colored sediments in the urine which adheres to the vessel as if it had been burned on. Urine of sepia is so fetid and so offensive that it must be removed from the room. Enuresis. Bed is wet as soon as the child goes to sleep, like creosote. Enuresis in the child, especially during the first sleep. Dyspnea aggravated after sitting, after sleep, and in the room. Better by dancing or walking rapidly. The female reproductive system. Diseases of women, especially those occurring during pregnancy, childbed, and lactation. Gleat, painless, yellowish, staining the linen. Meatus glued together in the morning. Obstinate and of long standing. Sexual organs weak and exhausted. Violent stitches upward in the vagina. Lancinating pains from uterus to umbilicus. Sepia is a great remedy for prolapse of uterus and vagina. Pressure and bearing down as if everything would protrude from the pelvis. Must cross the limbs tightly or she sits close to prevent the prolapse with oppression of breathing. Irregular menses of nearly every form, early, late, scanty, profuse, amenorrhea or menorrhagia, morning sickness of pregnancy. The sight or thought of food sickens her. Even the smell of cooking food nauseates. Skin, herpes cercinatus in isolated spots, especially upper part of the body. Sepia is a great remedy for the ringworm of the whole body like delirium, itching of skin of various parts of external genitalia which is not relieved by scratching, and the itching is apt to divert in the burning. Aggravation in afternoon or evening from cold air, sexual excess at rest, slurty, moist weather, and before thunderstorm like sorinum. Amelioration, warmth of bed, hot application, violent exercise. Many symptoms, especially of head, heart, and pelvis, are better by exercise. Sepia antidotes mental effects of overuse of tobacco in patients of having sedentary lifestyle. Keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.